Hello students, in previous class coordinate geometry we completed exercise 5.2 sums, including examples also we completed. Now we will start the exercise 5.3. In exercise 5.3, first one is related to the graph sheet. Okay, I will give guidance to you. We have to draw yourself only. Okay, exercise 5.3. Okay, on graph we have to complete that one. What is one? Plot the points in the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means don't confuse. If you draw perpendicular lines on a graph paper, that is called Cartesian plane. Okay, that is divided into 4 parts. That plane only we can call Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is nothing but a graph paper. Whose x y coordinates are given. Okay, here one box is given to you. To confuse you, they given very large box, but that is very easy sum. 2 minus 3, 3 minus 3, minus 1 4, 0 11, minus 9 0, minus 4 minus 3. Okay, now we have to write the x value, y value. First we have to write x value, y value. X value, y value first write. What is x value here? 2. Y value is what is minus 3. X value, y value you have to write. Okay, x value first, y value later. Minus 2 comma minus 3. 3 comma minus 3. Next, minus 1 comma 4. Next, 0 comma 11. Next, minus 9 comma 0. Next, minus 4 comma minus 4 comma minus 6. We have to plot these points. 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 3, minus 1 comma 4, 0 comma 11, minus 9 comma 0, 4 comma 11, 6 on graph paper. How we can draw a axis? Okay, mark numbers 1 2 3 4, minus 1 2 3 4, like that we have to mark. We have to take this one. Take after you have to join, or we can do that. Okay, that is the answer. We can do yourself. Okay, second round also same only. Third round, fourth round also do your own. I will not explain those because those are related to graph paper sums. Okay, later we can complete that one. Okay, draw on graph sheet. Draw on graph sheet paper. Okay, we go start for the fifth round. What is the fifth round? Okay, this one we have to draw on graph paper. We have to roughly I am drawing here. Okay, draw it. And graph paper we have to do this one, not on paper. Okay, take it. Here not I did not have graph paper, so roughly I am drawing. Okay, don't draw roughly. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Minus 1, 0 left side we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4. What is first time here? 2, minus 3. 2 minus 3 is x axis positive, y axis negative. Okay, x axis positive, y axis negative means here we have 2 minus 3. Both are meeting at one point, and graph paper you can observe. Okay, 2 comma minus 3. That one you have to write. 2 comma minus 3. Like that you have to write. Next, 3 comma minus 3. X is positive, y is negative. 3 comma 3. 3 comma minus 3. Okay, 3 comma minus 3 is 3. Okay, 3 minus 3 will coincide at one point. Okay, they will meet one point. So we can take 3 comma minus 3. 3 comma minus 3. Similarly, minus 1 comma 4. X is negative, y is positive. Minus 1 comma 4. Minus 1 comma 4. Minus 1 4 will meet one place. Minus 1 comma 4. And graph paper you have to do that one. Remaining points you have, you can do yourself. Okay, second problem. Second one already I will explain to you. are the positions of minus 5, 5 comma 8, 5 comma minus 8 and 8 comma minus 8 comma 5 are the same. Second question it is. Second question in page number 121. In page number 121, second question. 5 minus 8, 5 comma minus 8, minus 8 comma 5 are the same points, are the same position. Yes or no we have to say. Can you say those are the same points? By seeing we can identify the same numbers. 5, 5, minus 8, minus 8. By considering the point numbers are available, same numbers, can you say those are the same position? See here, if I draw roughly, okay, 5, 8, x-axis 5 is 1, 2, 3, some 5 here located. A minus 8 means here, y-axis, on y-axis it is located. That means those are coinciding here. For understanding purpose only I am drawing this graph. No need to draw while answering the question. Next, minus 8 comma 5. X-axis minus 8. That means somewhere we will get minus 8 here. Y-axis 5. That means we will have 5. Both are coinciding here. Okay, both having the same location. Both are lying same location. This is the 5 comma minus 8. This is the 8 comma minus 8. Both are in like same coordinate, same position. No. Okay, this point is lies in Q2. This point is lies in Q4. Both are in different quadrant. Both are in different quadrant means those are in same position. You can say 5 comma minus 8. How we can write this answer? 5 comma minus 8 lies in Q3, Q2 and minus 8 comma 5 lies in Q4. So both are different locations. Both are located in different position. Different position we can do. Different position. Okay, that one answer. Next we if you go for the third Roman. Third Roman, fourth Roman, do your own. Just given. Fourth Roman, do your own. They already first Roman model. Third Roman, fourth Roman, you can do your own. So that's the first Roman. If you draw the graph for the third Roman, if you draw the graph for the third Roman, we will get a third Roman like this. We will get like this graph. Okay, we have to take the point and join those. We will get straight line like this. Third Roman, we is related to the first Roman model only. Next, if you draw the fourth Roman, if you draw the fourth Roman graph, we will get all the points joined after. First draw the axis and mark the points and join all the points. Then we will get a graph like this. Get it? It is cut at 1. It is cut at 4. It will cut at 4 like this. Third Roman graph we will get like this. Okay, this line points, all points drawn after. If we join her, those will cut at 1. For fourth Roman, we will draw the graph. Okay, all the points joined after, those will cut at 4. They will cut at 1. It will cut at 4. That is those two Romans. Do your one. Now I will discuss fifth Roman. Very very important question. Fifth Roman. Okay, plot. Already yesterday in last class we done that parallelogram sum. That one model. Okay, this is the question given to you. plot the point 0, 0, 0, 3, 4 is 4, 3, 4, 0 are in graph sheet. Join to make rectangle. Find area of rectangle. Find area of rectangle. Okay, what are the given there? Solution. Given. What are the given? 0, 0, 0, 3, 4, 3, 4, 0. 0, 0, 0, 3, 4, 3, 4, 0. We have to take a graph paper. On graph paper only you have to do this one. On graph paper we have to do this one. Take a graph paper. Here not I did not have graph paper, so I want to draw grids. Okay, I taken graph paper. Data convenient. All coordinates are related to positive one. So only Q1 is available enough. So I want to draw like this graph. This is the y-axis. Y. This is the x-axis. This is x-axis. Y-axis, x-axis I drawn there. We have to mark point. This is 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I draw this one. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Okay, can you identify now? Nice, huh? This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis. Both are meeting at a point is called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here minus 1, minus. But I am writing numbers on thick line. We have every time. That means every box thick line. And every 10 lines after we will get a thick line. On thick line only you have to give the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, up to which number you have to take those numbers? We have to cover the each number on the graph paper. Up to that one only you have to write. Okay, all the numbers. What is the coordinates here? First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. Okay, 0, 0. 0, 0 means on x-axis 0, y-axis 0. On x-axis 0, y-axis 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Next 0, 3. 0, 3, where it is located? 0, 3. On x-axis 0, y-axis 3. 0, 3. 0, 3. It is located here. Okay, next 4, minus 3. 4, minus 3. 4 is x-axis, y-axis 3. 4, y-axis 3. 4, 3. It is located here. 4, 3. 4, 3. Next 4, 0. 4, 0 means x-axis 4, y-axis 0. 4, 0. 4, 0. Okay. By drawing these 4, 0 is okay. I located 4 coordinates. 0, 0. 0, 0 here. Okay, 0, 3. 0, 3. Next 4, 3. 4, 3. That means 4, 3. Go inside one place. Okay, next 4, 0. 4, 0. By joining these numbers, we will get like this. Okay, by joining these, I want to frame a rectangle. Okay, I want to, for the convenience, I given name here A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Without giving also we can do. Without giving also we can do that. Okay, this is the length and this is the breadth. This is the length. Rectangle means the 2 dimensions will be there. One is the length, one is the breadth. Okay, in a rectangle ABCD, in rectangle ABCD, in rectangle ABCD, length equal to, length is AB, length AB equal to, okay, how many units? Okay, from A to B, how much units distance is maintained? You have to find. Okay, 1 unit, 2, 3, 4. Totally, how many units distance is there? 4 units. How many units? 4 units. That means we can find 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 units. Okay, breadth. Breadth BC. Breadth BC equal to. Breadth BC equal to BCD. Okay, what is the distance from B to C? 1, 1, 1. 3 units are there. This is 1 unit. This is second unit. This is third unit. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 units. 3 units will be there. Now, by drawing the graph, we found length and breadth. Now we can calculate the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to L into B. Area of rectangle equal to formula L into B. Length into B means 4 into 3. 4 3 is 12. 12 square units. Units of this area is square units. Square unit. That is completed. This is very important question. Okay, how to remember. Now we go for the sixth one. Sixth one also we have to find out the area of triangle. How we can find out the area of triangle? We will discuss now. Okay, what is the question? Plot page number 122. Page number 122, sixth question. Plot the points 2, 3, 6, 3 and 4, 7 in a graph sheet. Join them to make a triangle. Join them to make a triangle. Find area of triangle. Find area of triangle. Okay, see here what the question is. Plot a graph. Plot the points 2, 3, 6, 3 and 4, 7 in a graph sheet. Join them to make a triangle. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, what are the given range? Given 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 7. These are the given. Okay, these are the given coordinates, order pairs. Okay, these 3 points are given. Okay, this is taken as A, this is taken as B, this is taken as C. A, B, C. Okay, this point is taken as A, this point is taken as B, this point is taken as C. Now we can draw the graph paper. Okay, for me, graph paper not available on board, so that's why I am drawing grids here. We have to do this sum in a graph paper only. If the examination is given to you like this sum, they will provide the graph paper for you. Don't worry about it. now we can take a graph paper. Okay, by taking graph paper, draw x-axis, y-axis first. For our convenience, I am drawing here. Okay, actually you have to take a Cartesian coordination middle only you can draw. But for this some also we can draw like that only. But graph paper not available for me. For our convenience, I am drawing here. We have to take it like this only. Draw a Cartesian plane. Generally you can do that one. Okay, draw a x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis we have to take. Okay, x-axis to y-axis meeting at a one place, that is called origin, that is O. That is origin denoted by letter O, and its value 0. This is -1, this is -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is -1. Now we have to plot the A, B, C. We are taking first point as A, second point as B, third point as C. Okay, now plot the A, B, C points on a graph paper. Okay, A point is what there? A 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. On x-axis 2. First value always look at it on x-axis. Look at in x-axis and it is on y-axis. On x-axis on y-axis. First value is on x-axis. Second value is on y-axis. We have to draw. Okay, x-axis 2, y-axis 3. Both are joining at one place. You see, 2, 3. 2, 3. A point it is. A. Next, 6, 3. On x-axis 6. Y-axis 3. 6, 3. 6. Y-axis 3. Both are will meet at one place. 6, 3. 6, 3. This is point B. Next, 4, 7. 4, 7. 4 on x-axis, 7 on y-axis. 4, 7. 4, 7 means these will meet on place. This is 4, 7. Okay, one thing remember, by drawing a graph paper, we have to use pencil only. Don't use pen on graph sheet. Okay. For calculation purpose, that means we will do the calculation on a rule paper side. Then at that time we can use a pen. Okay, join is what the question? Join them to make a triangle. Okay, as you wish, don't join that one. We have to frame triangle. So I want to frame triangle. I join AC, DC, AB. I got one triangle. From C onwards, one line, one perpendicular line I drawn here. This is taken as O. CO is the height of the triangle. If you want to calculate the next after completion of the one, we calculate the area of triangle. Whenever if you want to calculate the area of triangle, we have to take a formula. Area of triangle formula, what that one? Area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Half means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into base into height. In triangle ABC. Okay, we can write like this also. In triangle ABC. Like this also we can write. Either this one or this notation. Both notations, any one notation you can use. Okay, base equal to. Base how we can decide? A perpendicular line drawn further which side, that is called base. A perpendicular line from one vertex, we have to choose one vertex. From that vertex we have to draw the perpendicular line. For which side we are drawing perpendicular line, that is called the base. Okay, I am drawing this perpendicular line for the AB. So AB is called the base. Base AB equal to, what is the length of the AB? What is the distance of A to B? Moving A to B. 1, 1, 1, 1. A This is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Totally how many units it will taken? 4 units. 4 units. 4 units. Next height. Height is CO or OC. CO or OC. Anyone can take. What is the height of OC? It will take the distance from O to C. How many units? 1. 1. This is 1. 1. 1. 1. So total how many units? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 units. 4 units. Now we can calculate the area of triangle. Area of triangle equal to ABC equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Half into base is what here? Base is 4. Height is what here? 4. Half into base into height. Now cancel this one. 2 1 years, 2 2 years. 2 1 years, 2 2 years. What will be remaining? 1 into 2 into 4. 2 4 years 6. 8 into 1 square units. This is the completion. Okay. Next is 7th round. This is also important sum. 6th round. Okay, what is the 7th question? Okay, next class we will discuss this one. By completing this sum, we can complete the maximum of this topic. Okay, next class we will complete.